Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to switch your Opera GX browser to Spanish? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the Spanish language step by step. First, open Opera GX and click on the Easy Setup button icon settings. Now, in the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and click Advanced to display all options. Next, scroll down to the Languages section. And click on Add Languages. In the pop-up window, search for Spanish or Español, select it, and click Add. Once you've added Spanish, click the three dots next to it and select Display Opera GX in this language. If you don't see this option, make sure your Opera GX version is up to date. And that's it. Now you can enjoy browsing in Spanish on Opera GX. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Gracias por mirar.